Good evening, everyone. I'm Maurice Dubois.
And I'm Christine Johnson. We begin tonight with some breaking news. President Trump says that he will leave Walter Reed Medical Center just 90 minutes from now.
The news coming as the White House outbreak itself grows. Today, Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany announcing she is one of more than a dozen people who have tested positive for COVID-19.
CBS 2's Jessica Layton joins us now in studio with more on today's developments. Jessica?
Well, Christine and Maurice, as the infection spreads within the president's inner circle, two housekeepers at the White House are also reportedly now infected. This as President Trump gets ready to leave the hospital, while his doctor admits he may not be entirely out of the woods yet.
Announcing in a tweet he was leaving Walter Reed Medical Center, President Trump said he's feeling really good, saying, "I feel better than I did 20 years ago."
Over the past 24 hours, the president has continued to improve. He's met or exceeded all standard hospital discharge criteria.
But his physician, Dr. Sean Conley, admits the team of doctors won't breathe a sigh of relief until a week from now, when President Trump hits the 10 to 12-day mark since testing positive. Many questions remain about the president's condition since his diagnosis. His doctors do acknowledge he had a high fever on Friday and his oxygen levels dropped twice. We've also learned the president has been given the steroid dexamethasone in addition to 3 doses so far of remdesivir and an experimental antibody cocktail.
Our plan is to give the 4th dose of remdesivir this evening before he goes back to the White House, and we've made arrangements to deliver the 5th and final dose of his treatment course at the White House tomorrow evening.
White House Press Secretary Kayleigh McEnany, who was not wearing a mask when she briefed reporters Sunday, said she tested positive today. She joins the growing list of people either close to the president or who attended the ceremony for Supreme Court nominee Amy Coney Barrett, who have also said they're infected. After his latest test came back negative, Democratic presidential candidate Joe Biden hit the campaign trail in Florida. He says he would debate the president again if scientists say it's safe.
I think we should be very cautious, as I've thought all along, and I'm going to continue to listen to the scientists.
In the president's tweet, he encouraged Americans, don't be afraid of COVID. Don't let it dominate your life. 210,000 Americans have died of the virus. Dr. Conley was asked if he agreed with the sentiment from the president.
I'm not going to get into what the president says.
Dr. Conley also wouldn't get into when the president last tested negative for coronavirus. He refused to answer those questions. He was also asked if the president should have gone to that fundraiser at his golf club in New Jersey last Thursday. Dr. Conley said, "That's not up to me." Again, in just about 90 minutes, President Trump will be released from Walter Reed. He will then be treated at the White House Medical Unit, which is staffed 24/7 with doctors and nurses. Maurice and Christine, back to you.
Jessica, thank you.